back to Accrued Interest. Today, April 22nd, 2025, I'm going to talk about 3 things we learned about media stocks from Nielsen's Total TV Snapshot for the month of March. But first, a brief disclaimer: the information presented in this podcast is not and should not be construed as investment advice. Investors should make their own decisions regarding the prospects of any company discussed on this show. As I've said before, my favorite piece of TV research to read each month is when Nielsen comes out with their Total Gauge report. Nielsen is measuring the amount of TV that viewers are watching on the big screen in their household. So all these figures are not including mobile or desktop or any other digital devices. Let's dive into the results for March. The biggest takeaway, I might sound like a broken record, is that YouTube again is still number 1. YouTube has consistently been the number 1 source for total TV watch time on the big television inside Americans' home. For the month of March, YouTube had an all-time high share of about 12% of total watch time. For comparison, that's up about 24% from this time last year, when in March 2024, YouTube's share was 9.7%. Next, we have Netflix. They've been number 2 for well over a year, and in March, they had a watch time of about 7.9% of total TV minutes. In comparison, that's down slightly from where they were last year, around 8.1%. So Netflix has reached a bit of a ceiling. Their high in the survey was about 8.4, 8.5%, but they're standing steady at number 2, around 8%. Thirdly, we saw for the month of March that streaming has been gaining shares steadily over cable and broadcast for a long time now. It's coming closer and closer, and I believe in 2025, this will be the year that we see streaming have a number that's actually higher than the broadcast and cable total combined. So in summary, YouTube increased its lead at number 1 in a competitive month with lots of high-profile shows released on streaming services. Netflix is a consistent number 2, but currently is not gaining share. And lastly, streaming achieved its largest share to date with almost 44% of total TV watch time. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the free Substack where you can get exclusive content delivered to your inbox.